When you Google Cherry Hill, Maryland, the first pre-populated question that comes up is Cherry Hill safe? Then you see other searches related to Cherry Hill with words like crime, murder, and dangerous. And what you will learn from these searches is that the crime in Cherry Hill is 69% higher than Baltimore City's average. The average income is 99.5% lower than the rest of the country. And the unemployment rate is 59% higher than the national average. But what I know about this community is that it's been overwhelmed by the historic and systematic oppression of Black people in this country. My name is Michael Battle, and I'm the CEO of Rich, Restoring Inner City Hope. My wife and I founded Rich back in 2011. I'm a very transparent guy. I don't have any fancy degrees or big words to use, but what I do have is experience. When it comes to trauma, when it comes to pain, when it comes to hurt, I know this work. This is nothing that I've read in a book or I learned in a classroom. I live this day by day. I will do everything in my power to change the narrative in the city of Baltimore, beginning with my home, Cherry Hill. There are neighborhoods like Cherry Hill in every major city in this country. But what if those communities were given the resources that they needed to heal themselves? My wife and I began this program 9 years ago with a small prayer walk of 34 people. We kept our ear to the community, we stayed engaged with the community, and expanded our program based on the needs of the community. So what is the Rich program? The Rich program offers after-school classes that focus on developing leadership skills while exposing young men to new ideas and experiences. We also plan to launch our girls program in the near future. We have a workforce development program that teaches the skills needed to get and keep a job, along with job placement support. We host several events throughout the year, giving opportunities for other nonprofits and small organizations to give back as well. Our focus is to give the community the resources I needed when I was growing up. We didn't set out like other organizations with a plan on how to help the community without engaging with its people and knowing their needs. We just served where we were needed. We hosted events. We even volunteered at other organization events as well. We protected our stores here in Cherry Hill during the unrest. We cooked thousands of hamburgers and hot dogs. We gave away turkeys, bikes, coats, food boxes, all free to the community. So when the principal of Cherry Hill Elementary Middle told us that she needed an after-school program for her middle school boys, we created one. There were no workforce development here in Cherry Hill, so we filled that gap as well. Everything that we do is truly based on the needs of the community. When we first started, we paid for everything out of our pockets along with donations from friends and families. On that first day, with just a couple packs of hot dogs, we never imagined that we would be a part of Johns Hopkins Social Innovation Lab, an Elevation Award recipient, a graduate of UPenn's Social Impact Cohort. We never thought that we would receive support from companies such as Toyota Financial Services, Amerigroup, Red Bull, and PepsiCo. We even raised over $140,000, serving over 400 families for Thanksgiving, 1,000 families for Christmas, giving out supplies and over 100,000 pounds of food for COVID relief in just our first year, while partnering with organizations like Black Yo Institute, B360, and Little Laughs. I never thought that after losing my mother at the age of 14 due to a drug overdose, dropping out of school, and having my first child at the age of 16, I would become a leader in this community. I dedicate my life to this work. Even though I went through a lot here, a lot of pain, a lot of hurt, a lot of trauma, Cherry Hill made me the man I am today. It's my duty to be here, to help these people, to restore hope back to this community that I once helped tear down. In order to keep doing this work of loving, inspiring, and empowering Cherry Hill, we need your help. We need to raise $150,000 to take our impact to the next level. We need funds for programming and to add additional staff. Please visit our website, therichprogram.org, to see what we're doing, to donate, or just simply get involved.